to be entering another part which is known as function of a function. So function of a function, in function of a function, we can have that dy dx is equal to dy dA times dA dx, or we can say dy du times du dx is equal to dy dx. So the dy du, we cancel the u, so observe that this is now dy dx, the same thing. So understand this. So we're going to have some examples now. The first example is y equal to x plus 1. So in this regard, if y is x plus 1, how are we going to do x plus 1 raised to power 2? How are we going to solve this question? The first thing is just say u is equal to x plus 1. U is equal to x plus 1. So if u is x plus 1, we're going to differentiate u in respect of x, which will give us du dx is equal to, well, if you have x raised to power 1, we'll bring 1 back. So that's 1 x 1 minus 1. And this will give us 1 x raised to power 0. And any number raised to power 0, any letter raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 1. So du dx is going to give us 1. Now we're going to check. This is y equal to u raised to power 2. So if y equal to u raised to power 2, dy du, we're going to differentiate dy in respect of u. So this will give us dy du is equal to 2u, because 2 minus 1, and this will give us 2u, because 2 minus 1 is u raised to power 1, which is 2u. So in this regard, we already have dy du and du dx. So how do we go about this? Dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. So what's dy du here? Dy du is 2u, du dx is 1. So what we have is dy is equal to 2u times 1, which is 2u. And what's u? We'll come back to this place that u is what? U is x plus 1. So in this case, we have 2 into x plus 1. And that's going to be our final answer, 2 into x plus 1. And our answer, if we differentiate this, is going to give us 2 into x plus 1. So take note of this. So if y is equal to x plus 1 raised to power 2, first of all, make sure that let u be x plus 1. But remember that x raised to power 1 is x. So differentiate and do u in respect of x. You have du dx equal to 1x 1 minus 1, which is 1 x raised to power 0, and x raised to power 0 is 1, so that's why it's 1. We find dy du. Dy du is 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. You have 2u. Now the next part is dy dx equal to dy du times du dx. Now what's dy du? Dy du is 2u. Now du dx is 1. So if du dx is 1, you replace that du dx by 1 there. So you have 2u times 1. And what's u? You come back to this place and check. U is x plus 1. So if u is x plus 1, just replace it to give you 2 into x plus 1 as our final answer as dy dx. Where if y is equal to 4x raised to power 4x minus 3 raised to power half. So y equal to 4x minus 3 raised to power half. So to solve this, we are going to first of all say u is equal to 4x minus 3. So if u is 4x minus 3, du dx is going to give us 4, because 1 minus 1 is going to give us 0. So the next part is y equal to u raised to power half. Now if y is equal to u raised to power half, we are going to get dy du as half u minus 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2 square root of u. That's our dy du. So the next part is, remember that dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Dy du is 1 over 2 root u times du dx is 4. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we have 1 over square root of u. So this will give us 1 over square root of u is 4x minus 1, 4x minus 3. So our answer will be 1 over 4x minus 3 having a root. So this is our answer.